Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa.
We're in Cabo! Cabo!
Yes, Cabo, day 3.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I love Cabo. It's beautiful. Oh.
Yeah.
We're gonna go bar hopping.
Yeah.
Eat, probably.
Check out a beach.
Yeah. So make sure you come along with us. We're gonna start our day though eating some breakfast. So let's go.
Let's do it.
Breakfast time. We got the broken egg sandwich. We had like bacon, a fried egg, cheese, and it came with a hash brown, but I also added some more bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and sausage.
Ooh. You can see it dripping.
It's like a staple for me at home. We make a lot of fried egg sandwiches at home. So it's hitting the spot for me right now. It's not the same thing.
I got the same thing, and it comes with a little hash brown. It's gonna be good. We're gonna go to Cabo.
Let's go to Cabo.
Yeah.
Good drinks and good food. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Here we go. We made it to our favorite spot in Cabo.
The office.
The office.
And we're just like, we just had some shots and drinks, but we ate breakfast already, but they got some food that looks really good.
Take a look at this food. So, Ruben got, what is that, a ceviche?
Yes, pressed pescado.
Ooh, nice. We got some guacamole.
I got some burritos.
So we're just over here vibing, and we're gonna go bar hopping later.
Yes, on to the next spot.
Let's do it. Hello! We're in Cabo!
It's so chilly.
Woo! It's a little chilly. Yeah, buddy!
Oh my god.
We made it!
We made it. We got some drone shots. Can't wait to show you guys that.
Yeah! This is an amazing spot. All we did was take a taxi here. There's a ton of bars over here.
Show the bars that just looked at.
Yeah, look. There's a ton of bars over here.
Restaurants and bars. And then the beach. So you have the beach here as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god. We gotta dip in before we go do another bar.
Yep.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide. We can make it on our own. Go along for the ride. To the stars, just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo. It's burning. You're so stuck in your head, think I'm leaving.
We got some day beds, and all of us are back together again. All 13 of us. Whee! Cousin! Having a great time in Cabo. We have about 2 hours to get back on the ship. But then we have more fun on the ship. Yeah!
Mexico!
You can see the cruise ship behind us!
Cabo San Lucas!
Wait, Ito, let me see you. Perfect fit! Perfect fit! Let me see Jessica. Jessica fits it just nicely. Oh. Oh my God. We had a great time in Cabo? Yeah. We're getting on the ship now.
Let's go.
We made it to dinner. We survived Cabo. Took
We
a little
sure
power
did.
nap. We had to take a little power nap and ran over to dinner. But Tim got something so crazy here
I
at
got
dinner.
salad. Got a Caesar. Gotta start off the night right.
Is that right? We've had a lot of drinks in Cabo.
Yeah. You got egg rolls. These ones are interesting though.
They were beef egg rolls? I forgot what it was.
Beef?
No. The barbecue beef spring rolls.
Barbecue. Okay.
Yeah, I think the barbecue
and you
sauce.
dip it in barbecue.
I think that's the barbecue part of it.
Oh my. Okay. Love a bite. Ooh, look at that. Is it good? Is it Asian-y?
No.
Like an egg roll? No. Let me try it. Cause that's
Not at all.
They throw you for a twist here and there.
It kind of gives me
It's
like
different.
a cheeseburger feel, but in a spring roll.
A little bit.
Like a Texas cheeseburger.
Texas cheeseburger?
I think with barbecue sauce, I think Texas.
It's coming both ways. Okay. You also got poke.
Yes, I also got the poke.
Shrimp poke. Edamame. You got some shrimp. Pineapple. Cucumber.
Avocado.
Seaweed. Yeah. It's a little bowl.
It was a Hawaiian.
A Hawaiian one. Oh, you got some rice in there.
Hawaiian, I remember now. It was a Hawaiian.
Yeah.
Okay.
What a fun appetizer.
It was good. Very refreshing. I like it. You like your salad?
Yes. Caesar, can't go wrong.
Tim loves the Caesar salad.
Yeah.
But now we have our entrees on its way.
Yeah. Entree time.
Yes, entrees are here.
Yeah.
And of course, I had to get the lamb. My favorite lamb on the menu. Usually gonna get it.
Yeah.
I also tried mine first. Mine came with some potatoes.
Yeah, big old wedges of potatoes. You got it like a gravy sauce on top of your lamb.
Guys, enjoy your dinner, yeah? Bon appetit.
Thank you.
What is that sauce?
Do I remember? No, but it'll be down here for you.
Ooh, it was good sauce.
Oh, it's nice and fatty. I love a little bit of fat on my
fatty
meat.
lamb. There's a chunko.
Lamb's always tasty.
Lamb and veggies.
Got some lamb and veggies. Tim got
The carbonara, and this looks amazing. It's got bacon on top. Nice pasta, creamy looking. Ooh, I'm excited.
nice, crispy little bacon.
That's really nice. Very creamy, very light. The bacon, you're gonna want to break up and like add to get the saltiness going for it.
Yum.
I'm gonna enjoy that.
Yep, next. What with dessert? Can you guess what I got for dessert?
Yes.
We'll show you.
Dessert time.
What do we get? What do we get?
You could have guessed the lava.
Carnival melting cake.
Yeah, the lava cake.
And we have a side of peanut butter coming because I love it with my peanut butter.
Yeah, and it comes with ice cream.
Yes, of course. You know, we get this every time. You've seen this so many times. We don't need to try it again.
And if you would have seen our last video, we got to see this
being
made in person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're not, I'll put the link up here for you so you can see that. But we're gonna go try to get some shows in. I think there's Love and Marriage and Deal or No Deal. Yes. But we're probably not gonna record Love and Marriage because that's not too rough guy. But we'll come back and see what happens.
Yeah.
We'll tell you what happens later.
All right. Well, after Mexico, we went to a couple shows, saw the Love and Marriage show.
Always love the Love and Marriage show. They're
Yeah.
always so funny.
Yes.
But like I said, too risky to put it on camera. We also went to Let's Make a Deal. We've never made it to Let's Make a Deal. But we didn't make it in time still to buy the cards that you can win money to.
Yeah, so you can participate some way and match what the person's unveiling and see if you win.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. I didn't know that's how that worked. Somehow our dinner always runs late. Every cruise we go on, we miss Let's Make a Deal.
Right.
But then we just came home and passed out.
Yeah.
So, for more Carnival fun, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and ring that notification bell for more videos like this. And follow us at
Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time,
Bye.
bye.